What's your name?
My name is Joya Berlin,
And you from?
USA.
So is this the first time you were here?
No, it's not my first time. I've lived in Bangladesh for 11 years.
Are you enjoying this event?
Yes, I'm very much enjoying this event. It's just so much fun and really nice. All the cultural things going on in events is just really beautiful.
Okay, so one question. What are the difference you see? The difference between Bangladeshi culture and USA culture?
Yeah, I think American culture can be kind of boring, actually. We don't celebrate as many things as Bangladesh does. We tend to be a little bit more individualistic. And one thing I really love about Bangladeshi culture is how communal they are and how they do everything together and celebrate a lot of things. It's really special. Yeah.
And you are wearing a nice sari.
Yes, I really like wearing Bengali clothes. Yeah.
How many times you were here in Bangladesh?
I've been here 11 years, actually.
11 years.
Yes.
Do you know Bangla?
হ্যাঁ আমি বাংলা বলতে পারি
So নববর্ষ সম্বন্ধে একটু জানতে চাই বাংলায় কি বলবেন?
শুভ নববর্ষ সবাইকে আজকে আমি এই প্রোগ্রামে আসলাম আমার খুবই এনজয় করছি আজকে আমার নাম জয়া বার্লিন আমার স্বামীর নাম জেকব and then I have পাঁচজন ছেলে মেয়ে আছে আনন্দ হাসি খুশি সুখী মিষ্টি